This video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard and mouse to Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Chromebook model you have, you will be able to set up and use a keyboard and mouse combo with it. To do this, you need to check which connection options you have available. If your keyboard and mouse are wired, then most likely you will only be able to connect them through this method. So you grab one end of the cable and then you plug it into the Chromebook. Look for any standard USB port. If you only have one USB port available, you can use a hub which will extend the amount of ports, or you can use an adapter. So let's say, for example, you have this USB-C port, you can use an adapter that converts it from USB-C to USB-A. It is going to be up to you how you want to tackle this, but you will need to somehow have the available amount of USB-A ports to connect both peripherals. Once you have all of them connected, they will be usable right away. Alternatively, you can also use Bluetooth. So if you have a modern keyboard and mouse combo, they might have Bluetooth capabilities. To do this, go into the settings of your Chromebook, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled, and choose the option to pair a new device. Now, specify the combination of buttons on your keyboard and mouse. In this example here, this Logitech keyboard and mouse combo, you have to press one of these buttons to initiate pairing mode. So you look for the Bluetooth symbol, or you perform a specific combination of buttons as described in the manual, and they are going to go into pairing mode. With the devices in pairing mode, they will appear under the list of available devices when you choose the plus sign on the Chromebook, and they will remain connected to your Chromebook. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.